Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen TAIGO 1.0TSI 110BHP style in stunning blue. With only 4 1.56 kilowatts on the clock and a 1 litre engine, this car is practically brand new, packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, cruise control, anti-collision system and lane departure warning. The interior boasts luxurious trim, cup holders and below seat storage, not to mention the sleek chrome package and roof rails for added style. This vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible car. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.